Hi everyone. Today I am wanting to talk about a few things in relation to when you start your business. Businesses start in all different ways. Sometimes it starts with an idea. Sometimes you have shot the breeze and discussed things with close friends or other people in business. Sometimes you have developed a detailed and extensive business plan, but what the most important thing is that you have some really unique and beautiful ideas to create a business. My purpose today is to talk about a particular skill in business, about um, for when you are setting up and developing your business, and that is the skill of choosing the information that you share with others who are swimming in the same stream as you. So when you are growing a business or developing a business or thinking about a business, you do invite or need the help of quite a few people around you who are also running businesses and who you may need to discuss um, your internal business information with. Now, internal business information is usually your ideas, plans that you have, budgets that you have, possible client lists that you have, your social media campaigns that you might have developed or thought of, marketing ideas that you might have. All of these things are trade secrets. They are business secrets. They are um, private business information that you need to think about protecting when you consider looking around to see who can help you in your business. So this is why it's really important to be aware of it, and I'm here today to talk about some tools or of how to that you can use to help navigate the area of getting the right help for your business while at the same time protecting your business information. So that what I want to talk to you about today in terms of having that tool for yourself is a non-disclosure agreement. There are two types of non-disclosure agreements. One way where you are sharing information about your business processes and your business um, private information with another business or person with the view of collaborate, of getting help, getting them to assist you. And the other one is a two-way non-disclosure agreement where two businesses are joining together in some way to embark on another project. And so necessarily they need to share information with each other. The one today I'm concerned about, or I'd like you to take note of, is the one-way non-disclosure agreement. And this is a critical one for startups because at this point you are looking around for people and businesses who will help you to progress your business to to a better system, a better profitability, to a better profile in whichever market that you are choosing to develop your business in and attract your clients. So the kinds of people that as a new business that you might be talking to would be other business coaches, would be social media managers, would be website designers, would be business advisors. They could even be people that you plan to employ. So each time you bring someone on board into a discussion to talk about your business, necessarily you will be sharing information with them. And it's that non-disclosure or the confidentiality agreement is what puts people on notice that you are aware that this is a business conversation, you are aware that you are sharing your business information with them, and that a level of privacy and protection is required of the discussion that you are having, whether it's leading up to the discussion, during the discussion, and afterwards if you do go on to do any work together or exchange information. Are these documents enforceable? They are enforceable to the extent that if if the document is well drafted, it is very clear as to what can and can't be done with the information that is included under the agreement itself. that is not to be shared with other people. So if nothing else, you have a document to fall back on and to remind people, and certainly to enforce that information is private. The other thing that's really important is, apart from all of that, it is really an education process for the people around you. People who talk with you may not necessarily be aware that the information you are sharing you intend to be private, and a non-disclosure agreement puts them on notice that this is indeed expected to be kept private and confidential, and most people will agree to it. If someone doesn't want to sign that document, then it is advisable just simply not to do business with them, because you really want to be engaging with people that are respectful of your business information and your business as you are yourself. So there's a couple of things. I do custom draft these, so, and you can have them custom drafted for your business, but I have also created a template that's available on my website. So if you have more questions about a non-disclosure agreement or an issue around disclosure, and how these issues come up, is you'll often see people complaining that, oh, I wanted to do this in my business and I discussed it with this person or that person, and now that there's someone else that they've advised that's doing exactly the same thing, or your own clients have been poached or by someone that was working for you or with you. So these are situations that you can actually manage before they happen, because you are having the conversation up front and you are letting the other person know that what you are sharing with them in relation to your business is private and confidential, and it's not something that can be discussed outside the business relationship, up to a certain point, and that's covered in the agreement itself. So if you are good to go and you know that you can you are wanting to have these discussions, the template is available on my website. If you have more questions about it, or need to discuss any part of your business relationships now or coming up, then I invite you to book a call in with me and we can talk about it. So that's it for today. I will be coming back on next week to run a few other really great ideas about how to, keep being the best advocate for yourself in your business. Bye for now.